Hello everybody, and welcome to the Behavior Bubble. My name is Shawn Marshall, and today we're going to read Memory Jars by Vera Brosgol. On a hot, sweet, sticky July day, Freda went blueberry picking with her Gran. Deep among the bushes full of fat blue fruit, Freda ate as many as she picked. What was Vera picking and what was she eating? That's right, she was eating and picking blueberries. They tasted like sweet sunshine. They were the best right then, and they'd never be better. She ate until her fingertips were purple and her stomach felt like a giant blueberry. But there were still so many left. "Oh, I can't do it. I can't eat them all," moaned Freda. "Calm down, French fry," said Gran. "We can put them in a jar and save them. I use them for my special jam every year. It was your grandpa's favorite recipe." So where did Vera's grandmother put the blueberries? That's right, she kept them in a jar. Freda remembered her grandpa eating toast every morning with glossy purple jam on it, making sure it was spread all the way to the crust so every last bite was sweet. Freda remembered her grandpa. Who loved to eat toast with blueberry jam? That's right, it was Vera's grandpa. "So, if we save the berries in jars, they'll be just as good?" asked Freda. "Yes," said Gran. "The jars keep them preserved for a long time, so we can eat the blueberries in January if we like." What helps keep blueberries preserved? That's right, the jars. Freda had an idea. What do you think her idea was? Let's see. She tried her idea out on one of Gran's fresh chocolate chip cookies. It was very, very hard not to eat it. She put the cookie jar under her bed, said goodnight to Gran, and sort of slept. The next morning, she checked. And it had worked. The cookie would be warm and yummy forever. She saved it. Freda wondered what else she could save. So how did the cookie feel when she checked it in the morning? That's right, it was nice and warm. She was going to need a lot more jars. Freda saved all kinds of things. Can you see all the things that Freda saved? She saved Halloween candy, a warm cookie, new stuffed animal with the tag still on. What else? That's right, unbroken robin's eggs, poppies, unscuffed sneakers, brand new crayons, and a rocket pop, unmelted. These are all the things that she saved. Freda didn't want Jack, her best friend on the entire planet, to move to Arizona at the end of the month. Neither did he. And now he wouldn't. Where did Vera decide to put Jack? That's right, in the cookie jar. Mrs. Alexander's beautiful singing voice drifted over the neighborhood, as it did every Saturday afternoon, straight into one of Freda's jars, where the song would live, safe and never-ending. The cloud looked just like a unicorn, would never be pushed back into a mushy nothing by the wind. The laser-bright rainbow would never dim as the sun moved. What else did Vera collect in her jars? That's right, Mrs. Alexander's beautiful voice, the cloud that looked like a unicorn, and what else? That's right, the laser bright rainbow. The full moon, her favorite shape, would never fade away and leave the sky empty and dark, making Freda feel alone. She took the stars while she was at it. Finally, Freda's favorite things were tucked away in jars. Everything would be saved and safe, just the same forever. Almost everything. Who else did she want to put in the jar? Looks like she wanted to put her Gran in the jar. That's right. Please? Well, all right, French fry. Anything you like. The neighborhood was very quiet as Freda and Gran went home. All that saving made Freda hungry. The toast was warm and crunchy, but it was missing something sweet. She spread the jam all the way to the edges. It tasted like... what did it taste like? Can you see all the things that it tasted like in her head? What did she remember? I see she remembered her grandmother. She remembered the fireflies. Ooh, look at the bottom. It looks like her and Jack are eating the rocket pops. Ooh, what else did she remember? She remembered petting frogs, and she remembered eating blueberry toast with her grandparents. Freda remembered. Who else did she remember? That's right, her grandmother. On a cold, blustery day in December, Freda had breakfast with her Gran. Whoops, we ran out of jam, said Gran. Don't worry, said Freda. We can make more next summer. Then she took a bite. It was delicious, just like she remembered. The end.